Welcome to the fourth and final video, the one where we are going to teach you exactly how we're going to test and evaluate your bridge when it comes back to us. We're going to go through this step by step, so keep everything we say in mind as you sort of game plan how you're going to design this. Without further ado, let's hop right into it. The first step we do with your bridge is to get its weight in ounces from the kitchen scale, which is very precise. Here is the entire testing mechanism, which you are about to see in more depth. Next, we place the bridge over our testing template, which is precisely 7.5 inches apart, so make sure your bridge is long enough to span over that length. We then apply our custom-made load-bearing mechanism right over the center of your bridge. A bucket that holds all the weight is then introduced and attached to the load-bearing mechanism by rubber bungee cords. It stays suspended a few inches off the ground. It is now time to start applying force to the bridge. We load the bucket with very dense pebbles, and that weight is transferred directly to the bridge. When the bucket gets too heavy for the bridge, it collapses and we immediately quit applying the weight. We detach the bucket and weigh it, along with all of its contents, to see just how much force your bridge withstood. Finally, we jot down all the data and make some comments so we can get to work on your personalized feedback report. So what do we do with the data that we get from your bridge, and how do we compare it to others? Well, we find what is called the structural efficiency, and essentially how to find that is you divide how much weight the bridge held divided by the weight of the actual bridge itself. This number obviously places a premium on the weight of the bridge, so it encourages you to build your bridge as strong as you can, but keep it as light as you can at the same time. Stix only has the capacity to test your bridges up to about 85 pounds for now, which is a feat in and of itself given the materials that we're giving to you. But if you do make it to that number, the lighter your bridge, the more impressive that feat becomes. Since structural efficiency is the big number in this project, why don't we do a quick little sample calculation on the screen to make sure we're all on the same page and to tie things together. Starting shortly after the new year, Stix is going to give you the ability to test your project yourself. And what's cool about that is just by using your bridge and a cool tool that we're going to include in your kit, you can perform a professional test from the comfort of your home. And here's exactly how to do that. This is the tool that gets inserted inside your bridge and places the load on the truss. Take the hardware off the top and put the block inside your bridge. Go ahead and start to put the mechanism back together, and when you put the washer and screw on, make sure you screw it down nice and tight. You can place the block inside or even on top, and in whatever orientation you would like. Find something simple, like 2 folding tables or a couple chairs, and place them about 7 inches apart before putting your bridge on it. Once your bridge is in position, go ahead and put a bucket underneath it, or anything else you can think of to start weighing it down. You don't need a ton of fancy equipment to do this at home. Fill that bucket with rocks, or if you're feeling adventurous, you could even hang from the bucket with your own body weight. But once you have a number for how much weight your bridge held, please let us know. Go ahead and submit a video of your test along with any numbers associated with it to the new upload form on the project page. A couple things before we let you go. Guys, please take advantage of our Zoom calls every day. It's a great place for you to get any questions or concerns answered. The other thing is please remember to check out our guidelines and specifications. Make sure things fit in accordance with those specifications so we can provide you accurate and reliable feedback. Lastly, have fun, guys.